Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start talking about systems of equations. So system of equations is basically two equations and we have two unknowns in this case, okay? It's called the linear system of equations. And the goal is to find a pair of numbers, x and y, that would work. What do we mean by work? Well, if you substitute the x and the y, you will get the same thing on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side of each equation. So that's important. It cannot just work for one. It has to work for both. So if you want to see if it works, what are you going to do? So let's go ahead and open up Desmos. So we're opening up Desmos Scientific Calculator, and we'll open it in a sidebar. Let me just clear everything here. The first thing I'm going to do is make the left-hand side of the first equation in Desmos by substituting, instead of x, I'm going to put empty parentheses, okay? Minus, and then empty parentheses for y. And then the second equation is going to be 2 multiplied by x, but again, we are going to put empty parentheses minus, and then instead of y, we also put empty parentheses. Okay, so for the first pair, 1 and -7, you need to substitute 1 for x, but that's the first set of parentheses here. And then we're going to substitute -7 for y, so that goes in here. And then the next thing is to see if the left-hand side is the same for both equations than the right-hand side. So this is the left-hand side right here. Okay, so this is your left-hand side. And then this is your right-hand side. Are they matching? Yes or no? So in this case, they are matching, right? So you can look at these two and they're matching. So that means that 1, -7 is a solution of the first equation. It satisfies it. It makes it true. Now let's take a look at the second one though. So when you look at the second one, this is what you got on the left-hand side, and this was the right-hand side of that second equation. Now compare them and see if they're the same. Well, no, they're not the same. So even though the pair works for the first one, it doesn't work with the second one, so that's not going to be a solution. So we're going to say yes here, but no here, which means that it is not going to be a solution. Okay, now we're going to repeat for another pair for -10 and -18. So in the blanks, I'm going to put -10 wherever I saw x, and wherever I saw y, I'm going to put -18. And now we want to compare the left-hand side we just got with the right-hand side. Okay, so we're going to go, this one is the left-hand side, and then this is the right-hand side. And are they the same? Well, yes, they are the same. Okay, then we're going to repeat the same thing for the second equation. So this is our left-hand side when we plugged in x and y, and then this is our right-hand side. And are they the same? Yes. So since they're both the same, that means that this ordered pair is a solution. So we're going to say yes and yes, which means this is a solution.